What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of FBOMB. Here at Woodward Park, just chilling. Got the Showtime with me, and got some pretty cool news for you guys. So you guys have been with me since 2016. Many of you have been watching me since then, and some of you are just joining me now. So in an alliance with Showtime, his YouTube channel, which is just starting out, and mine that has been around since 2016, we wanted to show you guys some love. For the first time, I'm going to be giving away, along with Showtime, a Shoei RFSR, which is a full face helmet, if for those of you who aren't aware. We're going to be giving away a GoPro 8 black and a Motorad's chin mount. It's going to be 3 different winners. Now this video, or this giveaway, is going to be live at Fresno Cycle Gear on June 13th. I'm sorry, it's going to be on June 13th. It's going to be cool because there's going to be 3 different prizes. The first prize is going to be the Motorad's chin mount. The second prize is going to be the GoPro Hero 8, and the grand prize is going to be the Shoei RFSR, which is coming out of both of our pockets. Doesn't cost anything from anybody. All that we ask is that the people that show up to the live event, in order for them to win, they have to be subscribed. Now that giveaway is only for the people who can make it to Fresno, but it's okay, because on that day we're going to be shooting another video, and we're going to be holding a contest for all of you who can make it to win a GoPro Hero 8. And that giveaway is going to be set for July 1st. June 13th, we're going to have the live event giving away the Shoei helmet, the GoPro Hero 8, and the Motorad's chin mount. And then June 1st is everyone else's chance who does not live in California to win the GoPro Hero 8 for themselves. Why are we doing this? I've given away GoPros before, I've done giveaways, and the people that win it are super excited, and they love the fact that they got something. And then the people who don't win, they always say, oh, this is a fake giveaway, he probably knows him, or he just said he got it, he didn't actually get it. So I wanted to prove to everyone that these giveaways are actually real. That's one of the main reasons why I'm going to be holding the actual giveaway live. Not to prove a point, but also to show some love to Fresno, and all the Fresno riders. The bike scene in California is big, but in Fresno it's huge. So I wanted to show some love to everyone else over there. But for those of you who are coming to the Fresno event, which is bike night at Cycle Gear on June 13th, only stipulations is you have to subscribe with us. We're going to be sitting down at a booth taking names. You have to be subscribed, and you're just going to put your name in a bucket, and at the end of that bike night we're going to choose our 3 winners. So hopefully you guys can make it live, but for those of you who can't, you still have the chance July 1st to win that GoPro Hero 8. The stipulations on that we'll get into after the July 13th or the June 13th video. So it should be really cool. This is giving people a chance to come out, meet and greet me and Showtime. For those of you who can't make it, I mean, we wish you could. We understand California is a long way away for a lot of you, but we still want to show you guys some love. So it should be pretty fun. If you guys haven't yet, in the description below I do have Showtime's link, so you guys can go show him some love. You will have to be subscribed to him too to win that GoPro if you can't make it to the live event. But yeah, so that's what's going on. Hopefully everyone watches this video, and if you guys can, please like and share this video. That way we can do more of these giveaways. I would love to give away more helmets and more GoPros to subscribers who aren't living in California, but you know, it costs money, and that's where the revenue comes. We're using our YouTube revenue to buy you guys stuff. We're not using it to make our house payments or anything like that. So just food for thought. But yeah, we'll see you. For those of you who can join us, we'll see you on June 13th. Until next time, I want to thank you guys for joining me on this episode of FBOMB. Peace.